exploding now. Yay! Hi guys, my name is JD and I'm doing unbelievable science, and this time we're making the glowing explosive volcano right here. And these are all the stuff I need, like sand mix, baking soda, crystal growing chemicals, citric acid, and some trays here. And then this is where the volcano is gonna be. Okay guys, for step 1, we're gonna connect this tube into here, right here, which we already did, and leave it halfway between this right here. And then we mix some sand mix with some warm water right there, and then seal it until it becomes a paste right here. Next, we covered the volcano base with sand mix mixed with water and made craters here. And then, after we did that, we have to wait for 20 minutes until the sand mix dries on all of this. Hi guys, we're back and we waited for the volcano to mix with water to harden right here. And then the next step, we're gonna add soap and water to the citric acid. And then after that, we put in baking soda and glow powder. So we put some baking soda and glow powder right here. And then after we did that, we mixed 1 drop of liquid soap and 3/4 of sink water, tap water. All right guys, it's exploding now. Yay! Oh wait, it's not going up. Oh. Guys, every time I pump it, it explodes. Look. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my science experiment volcano and learned about it and liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.